To set up Hotspot on a Realme Note 60, first we'll need to launch our settings. Then we can navigate to Network and Internet. Inside, go for Hotspot and Tethering. There's a Wi-Fi hotspot that you can enable or disable. Also, we can click on it like this to adjust all of the settings. And the first option is Hotspot name. You can change how the name will appear on other devices when they try to connect. There's security protocol that you can switch between different WPA protocols, and you can choose whichever one you like if you want the password. If you don't want the password on that network, you can click on none. And as you can see, the password have disappeared, and when we activate it, you can change the password right here as well, or just preview it. Next is to turn off Hotspot automatically when there are no devices connected, and you can enable or disable it. There's AP band that you can switch between 2.4G network or 5G network as well. There's the option to hide your SSID from broadcast. And finally, the last option is to extend the compatibility. Helps other devices find this hotspot, but at the same time reduces hotspot connection speed, and you can turn it on or off. Now it's off.